Molweni bantwana basikhaya. Molweni. Ndiqonda uba namhlanje masike sincokoleni ngale nto ne. I'm very curious. Kunezinto sometimes endiye ndihlale phantsi ndizicinga uba okay, mange ndizapha eqongeni sizokwazi uzincokolani sisonke ne. Nanku umbuzo uhleli ithi, how long should a guy take to propose? Inenze ndacinga kakhulu ne. Unobangela waloo nto leyo yile nto uba umomncinci wam uke wathi kum, it's very important to marry someone nisandukwazana, because each and every day it makes it exciting, it makes it very scary, it makes it interesting, and it keeps on wanting you to know more and more about that person. Kodwa uba uke wahlala nomntu ixesha elide nafundana, kuthi noba it's your special day, let's say you took 5 years to get married, elo langa elo nitshata ngayo izoba lilo qha eli-significant. The moment you get home, you're just going back to the life that you know together. You're getting back to your habits and all that. So kuye kube bhetele uba mawutshate nomntu ungekamazi, ungekamqheli, enzele nizokwazi ke ngokuba nifundane along the way. But the scary part about that, would you wanna give your life to someone ongamaziyo? Like njengangoku kukho married at first sight. It's hectic. Kukho abo what is that one? Love is Blind, where they propose each other bengekaze babonana. It's beautiful because it gets you to get to know, it makes you to get to know someone without the physical things and all that, by just getting to know their aura, their morals, their principles and values, isn't it? And then you check if are they aligned with yours. Hey, watch man, guys, wathi get time to know her. But would you really say uba umntu uyamazi? Because we come across people who mention ba uye watshata nomntu for 20 years and the person ebemtshatile olalonge bengamazi. Sihlangana nabantu ababa-interviewwayo bebetshate nama-serial killers abatshata naye iminyaka bengabazi babazi ezo zinto ezo. So would we really say we know someone? Would you really say ba umntu uyamazi to the core? Which is the safest one? Should you just on the go while in a honeymoon phase, you get married and then you process? When there's you can just divorce. But I don't think there's anyone who gets married to divorce or to get divorced. But I think I want to go with this one. Chat umntu on the go and take it as an adventure. Every day ibe interesting, ibe scary, ibe onion yabomane uyichuba and find another layer, because it's so dangerous marrying someone after 5 years. Sezininzi into ezenzekileyo, sezininzi into enilimazene ngazo. I don't even think that you would enjoy that marriage because of sezininzi into ezenzekileyo while you're with that person. Yo. And like guys, andazi ba yeyiphi right, kodwa ekugqibeleni kufuneka simamele iintliziyo zethu. Kubone kukho abantu abavele bayo-elope mabebona uba abazali abavumelani nale nto yabo uba bavele bakhethe utshata kwangoko bengekazani. Abanye they go and elope because of there's so much that has happened in a relationship that makes the family to cringe when they want to get married. Excuse me. Sutshata umntu osewazelwa kakhulu kowabo, okanye sutshata umntu ongekayazi i-background yakhe. Which? Oh my God, it's so confusing. Uba ibinguwe right now, you were to be asked that question uba how long should it take for a guy to propose, ungathini wena? Kune-duration. There are women who believes uba funeka kube ne-90-day period. Kukho who believes that let's rather do it now so that we don't waste each other's time. Because wasting your 90 days nomntu, and then you find out later that it's really not what you wanted. This thing is so hectic. But from now, I believe that if it makes sense to the both of you, go for it. Because the challenges that we have nowadays is we get married, we date, we do things for the society. We do them because of what the society is expecting of us. Wena ufuna ntoni wena nomntu wakho uyatsho nosijava nje uthi funeka sithandane sibe umhlaba wonke. It means that if it makes sense to us, others will adjust, isn't it? It's crazy. It's so crazy. Because kuzokwenzeka kuyo yonke le nto, there will be kids that we will have to bring in this union. Hey man, kunomntu uhlale naye 30 years and then you discover that you didn't know this person all along. Rather waste your time for 30 years without knowing this person, or do it now while it's still nice, so that maqala uba sawa, you have a fair share of that you had a great marriage at the beginning. Because if ngizohlala nawe for 5 years or 10 years, are we gonna feel like newlyweds the moment we get married? Or we will feel that we just formalized it? Kuraf ne? But mntasekhaya, yenza le nto ekwenza wena happy. Because at the end of the day is night. And after night, it's another day. So alikho ilanga elingafiki. If you were bound to be with that person, I believe that even if ningachata ngomso nisanda uhlangana namhlanje, izoba njalo. And even if ningameli 10 years, izoba njalo. Because there are people that I know that, like very close people to me, they've been together almost 40 years, kodwa bazange bachata. And banabantwana babakhulisa babanye abakaze bachata at all. Zange bachata kodwa basese together. And kunabantu abahlanganayo bachate bagqibe ne6 months. I'm confused as hell at this point, but yeah, I thought of having this conversation with you guys. I hope nani mhlambe nizawushare whatever, how you perceive this thing. Maybe it's gonna give me another perspective of how I feel or think about this whole thing. Enkosi.